Oh shit. That's bad.
Hey guys, so back again, back at it with another dope DIY. So here we're with my 1997 740 IL, and we're gonna do the fuel filter. So I got a fuel filter right here. So basically the reason I'm doing this is well, you see I'm throwing some engine codes. I'll put the codes up on the screen right here. And so I've been throwing those codes, and basically when I accelerate, the car shakes, you know, it's definitely noticeable, and it's definitely not what it's supposed to be doing. So the codes are for like lean, they're lean codes, so I'm assuming it's fuel system. We already checked for air leaks and we couldn't really find any, so yeah, we're gonna change the oil filter, the fuel filter. Sorry guys, I'm a little off my game today, but promise to get back on it. So before I change the fuel pump, which I'm really hoping it's not, we're gonna do the filter and see if that helps. Car has about 160,000 miles on it, and it really wasn't that well maintained. So without further ado, let's peep this out. Okay, so here I am, just opening the box. You're gonna take the tape off first. Ah! Just rip it open. There's staples on here, so be careful. I think these are instructions. No. Well, these are the instructions. Okay. Alright, good. You got the filter and a magazine. So you really need a magazine to help you change the goddamn fuel filter! Wow. Oh, oh, oh. Alright you guys, so you really want to get the South African filters. They're far better than the North African filters and way better than the German filters, so definitely get South African. Okay? Alright, now we're gonna get the car jacked up.
Alright, so now that you're under your whip, this little heat shield thing, not really a heat shield, it's like a, you know, fucking plastic thing. Gotta come down. Fuel filter's underneath this. There's a bunch of like bolts, but they're also flatheads, so makes it kind of easy. There's one bolt right here, feels like an 8. Actually, you know what? I feel like that's not how it is factory. Okay, so pretty sure whoever owned this last just put a bunch of self-tappers in. I don't know, because that's, I mean, why the hell would that be factory? I don't know, we'll see when we take them out. There might be self-tappers. Alright, so the bolt here And the bolt, there's like 2 more up here. They're 10s. And I think the rest are 8s. Don't go breaking my heart. I wonder if I... Yeah, oh, there we go. Cool. Oh yeah. Wasn't a self-tapper, but your car should not have these. Alright, so here we have our fuel filter down here. It's recommended that you clamp off one of these fuel lines. I mean, obviously, probably this one because it's in the back. It says online, if you don't, it'll siphon gas from the tank, but I just don't know if that's true. These fuel lines, because they're so old, they're like 21 years old, they're rocks, they're like super brittle, so I don't want to, I don't know. I'm sketched out to like clamp it because I don't want it to break, because I don't want to have to go get more, but I don't know. We'll get some vice grips and see how brittle it actually is. All right, maybe. All right, so these hose clamps are 5 millimeters. Keep your fingers crossed I don't get a face full of gas. Alright, that's off. We'll go for the front one now. Okie dokie. Okay, so, oh shit, I forgot the main bolt right there. Hold on. Okay, so the main bolt right there is a 5 millimeter Allen key. Shove her up in there. Jesus Christ. The fuck? What the hell is going on? This is sketching me out. It's making crazy noises. What the fuck? Oh no, this thing's finally dead. Alright, word. We got that clamp off. That's weird. Well, the whole thing slides off with your bit stuck. Oh fuck. Stuck in it. Alright, now let's see if we can get this off and how much fuel comes out, and yeah. I'm gonna pull, like, kind of pull towards the front of the car. I don't really know how you're supposed to get this off. I didn't really look it up. Alright, so it's loose in the front. Ugh. It's not out though. But I do see fuel, so that's fucking good. I'm gonna get the other one just in case I have to do a speed reload. Alright, got the other one just in case. And the flow arrows right there, I'm assuming, go to the front of the car, which would only make sense, so make sure it goes that way. Make sure I got the right filter. Looks like it. Alright. Here we go. What can we cover in gasoline? Alright. I broke both ends free. Can now rotate. I wanted to clamp this side right here. But I mean, if I don't have to, I won't. If I can just quickly do it, that'd be sweet. Because I really don't want to break that. Oh, nope, nope, yep, nope, yep, nope. I like the smell of gas. I don't know about y'all. Not really bothering me that bad. Okay. What the fuck? Alright. BRB. Alright, we got a rag. Not really gonna help me much, but I can do it with a rag. And the rag will both cushion it and absorb it. I'm a mechanic. Fuck. Alright, this is clamped. I don't know if it's actually blocking the flow of anything, but it's clamped. Alright, this thing's gonna fucking cook me with gas. Alright, I'm gonna hold this thing, right? Not clamped. Pull it off and then clamp it. Right? Yeah, good idea. Fucking smart. Come on. Oh, fuck. There's literally fuel like spraying out of it. Fucking A. Maybe I should say fuck it. Gas isn't that bad, is it? Oh my god. Fuck. It's literally a steady stream of gas. This is fucked up. Alright, I gotta do a speed change. I gotta. For the gram. I hope it doesn't also come out of this one. It probably will though, because fuck me. This is ass. I'm getting high as a motherfucker. Yeah, I gotta open the door. Jesus Christ. Alright, so instead of those vice grips, which close with a hole in the middle of it, I'm gonna use needle nose and just hold them closed manually while I swap it, hopefully. I don't know. This is not ideal, ladies and gentlemen. Not ideal. Okay. That's off. Maybe that'll work. Fuck. Oh shit. That's bad. Oh no. Uh-oh. That's not good. Here we go, kids. This is how not to change a fuel filter. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh my god. Wow. Alright. Fuck, you missed that. That was so bad. I'm literally soaked in gasoline. Holy shit. Holy shit. Keep your fingers crossed I don't get a face full of gas. What can we cover in gasoline? Well, if I can just quickly do it, that'd be sweet. I'm a mechanic. Gas isn't that bad, is it? Holy shit. Well, there you go. So, a word of advice from me to you. The one in the front of the filter is where the pressure is going to come out of. The one in the back didn't even like fucking leak at all. So clamp the one in the front, not the one in the back. Yeah, that fucking sucks. It's a lot of gas. But I quick changed the new one in. So this is the old one. Quick changed the new one in. That was like 0.3 seconds. Because I thought I was going to die. I have gasoline in my sweatshirt, like on the body part. Like it ran all the way down to here. I hate my life. Okay, so that's how you make a mess. Tripod's covered in gas. There's definitely gas on the camera. Is gas like bad to have on your skin? I don't fucking know. I'm definitely gonna. Alright. Oh. Filter's in. Alright. Well, that's a lot of gas. Just filled up too. Fuck. So, let me show you what the problem was. The problem is I'm an idiot. Then the second problem is I had this one clamped, or I tried to clamp that one. The one you need to clamp is that front one. Literally when this came out, like it stopped coming out of the back of the filter right there. And when I pulled that front out, it was literally like a hose. Like full pressure hose of gasoline just coming out of that front one onto me and onto the ground. So get the right clamps and do the clamp thing right and clamp that front one, and you won't have this issue. That sucked. But the new one's in, and I'm just gonna tighten back up the clamps and put the ring back on in the center, and we should be good to go, and we'll see if it fixed the problem. The filter is gonna have a considerable amount of gasoline left in it. I already dumped some of it out on the ground inside. Yeah, I don't know if this is factory or not. It's another man filter, but they might have had mans from the factory. So who knows? The plastic is pretty cracked, so that's leading me to believe that it was factory. I don't friggin' know. Still leaking gas. Just be careful. That's fucking ass. I'm gonna leave that there. I am covered in gasoline.
I can smell it.
It unleashed and I didn't clamp it right, and see.
That's just gonna match.
I know, I was like, oh, well, no.
Baby, yeah!
Alright, so we're dry under there, which leads me to believe that the hose clamps are tight enough. I don't know if it fixed the problem, probably didn't, so let's take her for a spin. Letting this dry in here. Jesus, what a nightmare. Okay. Around the block we go. Alright, I'm gonna go up this hill. Usually after it shifts in a second, I'll feel it. And I'll be honest, it's probably going to happen. Because it's my luck. Yep. Alright, we still got the issue. Didn't fix anything. I wonder if it's better though. I don't know. I'll drive it for another minute, see if it's any better. Honestly though, it's like, it's kinda not as bad. If I'm being real. All I smell is gasoline, but I gotta remember that that's just my body covered in gasoline. Alright, I'm gonna give her a quick ripper. Woo! My Guibo is fucking toast. So when I rev it out like that in first gear, yeah, she shakes a bit. So I don't know, maybe the shaking is just a fucking Guibo, but the lean codes tell me that it's not. So I don't know, but that's how you fucking replace your goddamn fuel filter. So don't be an idiot like me. If you guys enjoyed this shit show of a video, make sure you subscribe for more shit show videos from the Budget Beams team. God damn it. Alright, fuel pump's probably coming next. Peace.
I'm a mechanic. And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. Microphone attached to my head so I can dance my little